Wow, nice, sweet, smoky. Come to Papa! How's the taste? Hey guys, it's me, Kuya Milton, and today we are making Filipino barbecue. Welcome to the first ever grilling episode of Kuya Milton. Today we're making Filipino barbecue. When we say Filipino barbecue, we're talking about meat on sticks. Barbecue is the most famous street food in the Philippines. You always see that walking throughout the streets of Manila, any province, you're gonna see that. It's so good. You can put anything on it. You can put pork, chicken, you can even put intestines and even blood. But today we are going to be making pork, chicken, and hot dog. Red hot dog.
The preparation of barbecue actually takes more than what you think.
Let's talk to Milton in the past to see how he prepared.
Yesterday.
Okay guys, it's the night before and now we get to prepare our meat. Before we begin, if you could please hit that like button as well as to subscribe, it would really help me out. Anyway, let's get started. So right here, we got our pork, nice and fatty. Traditionally, Filipino barbecue pork is made with pork shoulder, but you can use anything. And for our chicken, we got nice, juicy chicken thighs. So let's start with our pork. Okay, look at our meat. This is where all the flavor is, that nice connective tissue. There's fats. This is gonna taste so good. We're gonna lay our meat down like this, and you're gonna cut it into strips. And each strip should have some amount of fat. And if it's long like this, then it's gonna be a lot easier to skewer, right? So let's finish with the rest of the meat. Check that out, nice long pieces. All that flavor, fat, perfect. Set this to the side. Now we're gonna work with the chicken. Same rules for our chicken, we're gonna lay it flat and then cut long. Okay, we got our chicken into nice long strips. It's gonna be easy to skewer. Let's put this to the side again. Another reason why we did this the night before is because we gotta marinate it. That's gonna give the barbecue the signature flavor. Now let's cut some garlic. Half to the chicken and half to the pork. The onion will not only flavor the meat, but it also has special enzymes inside of it to help tenderize the meat as well. Half to the chicken, half to the pork. Now the lemon, or if you have calamansi. Pepper. It's barbecue, so we'll put a lot of pepper. Soy sauce. Ketchup. So I've seen some recipes on YouTube about Filipino barbecue, and they use Sprite or 7-Up as a sweetener.
Ito yung katulad ng 7-Up o ng Sprite. So kung ano man yung paborito nyong brand, pwede nyo gamitin yun.
But my mom growing up never used soda because she never allowed soda in the house. And Marian, did you ever use Sprite growing up as a marinade?
No.
Yeah, my parents always said it was unhealthy. Anyway, sugar? Huh? We're gonna be using the real sweetener. And since we like garlic so much, garlic powder. Now the fun part, time to massage the meat. Okay, we've covered these up. Now we're gonna put them in the fridge to marinate. See you tomorrow.
The next day.
Hey guys, it's the morning of the barbecue. And before we bring out our marinated meat, we're gonna make the sauce to go along with it. So we got some chilies right here. You can get these at your local Asian store. We've got some vinegar right here. Let's add that. Take some onion. Add some soy sauce. And then some brown sugar. Now we're gonna make the glaze that we're gonna brush on to the barbecue. We're gonna take some lemon or calamansi, ketchup, my secret ingredient, honey. The honey will give it a nice glaze and a nice caramelization. Soy sauce, just a little salt, pepper, some vegetable oil, garlic powder, onion powder, and lastly, brown sugar again. Okay guys, it's finally time. We've removed our meats. Now it's time to put them on the skewer. As you can tell, we're also going to be skewering hot dogs. And our wooden skewers, we've left them in water. That way they don't burn. They're going to absorb the water. And do the easiest one first, hot dog. And if you're from the Philippines, you obviously know the red hot dog. Nice and slow. We're going to make some slices. This will just help it to cook. Now we're gonna do the chicken. Wow, look at how dark the chicken meat became. It really absorbed all that marinade. Just gonna go back and forth like an S. Just like that. Put it just like this. And lastly, our pork. Really absorbed all of that marinade, just like the chicken. Same procedure with the chicken. Take a long strip. Oh yeah. Look at all these. I think we're ready to barbecue. Okay guys, I'll see you downstairs at the grill.
A few moments later.
We're gonna cook our pork first. Oh, look at that. Nice marinated. Perfect. Okay, after we flip, now is the perfect time to put our glaze. After a few minutes, we're gonna turn again. And add our glaze to the other side. Wow! It's good to move it around. Make sure each one is cooked evenly.
Oh wow! Oh my god! Oh my god!
Wow, look at this. Smells so good. Now it's time for the chicken. And don't forget to close it for that extra smoky flavor. Whew.
Nani?
It's cold!
Gonna add the sauce. Look at that. Tell me that's not perfect.
Pardon me, Mr. Perfect!
And lastly, we're doing the red hot dog. And those cuts that we made are gonna be the perfect way to hold the glaze. Our yummy hot dog mai tome is ready.
Yummy hotdog may tome!
Wow, look at that. That is so nice. Perfect hot dog, Filipino style. Okay guys, we are done. Let's go upstairs and try it.
A few minutes later.
Okay guys, we're back. Tapos na tayo mag-ihaw. We are done with grilling. Look at this great food that we have. Look at this. And now it is time to plate. And there you have it, Filipino barbecue. We got the chicken, hot dog, pork, and of course rice, and as well we got our dipping sauce. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited to eat. It looks really, really good. Now, it doesn't really matter how they look, right? What matters is, how's the taste? All right. First, we're gonna start with the chicken. Oh, wow, you can smell that charcoal smell, the smoky flavor. Wow, nice, sweet, smoky. Oh, let's try that hot dog. Look at these cuts. Got all that sauce that we put on there. Sweet hot dog, smoky. This is way different than the American hot dog that you're used to having. Let's try it with some of this. Oh, nice, sweet, but spicy.
Spicy!
Last, We got the pork.
Gotta have more.
The reason why the pork is my favorite is because it has all that fat. That has so much flavor. It's so nice. Perfect for the summer, perfect for a grilling day. I love Philippine barbecue. Wow. Sobrang sarap. Okay guys, that's it for this video. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Comment down below for other recipes you'd like to see me do next. Filipino barbecue was one of my favorite dishes growing up in a Filipino household. It's really easy to make and it's fun to be outside on the grill making it. Thank you guys so much for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!